Good morning, Winona. We've got a treat for you. Ooh, look at that. Where's the donkey? I got one more. I want another carrot. You can't. Look at your lip. You got it? Here. There you go, girl.
Take that, but you don't need to.
Are we bringing it with us?
No, it's going in another building. Poop.
Okay.
Going to the dairy barn. And by the way, there might be pigeons there too.
Perfect. But you got to tell us what we're doing.
You what?
You have to tell us what we're doing.
What we're doing? We're gonna shoot some pigeons in the heifer barn. Then we'll go to the dairy barn, and we'll see if we can rid ourselves of. I think there's only one or two in there.
All right.
We'll see.
Sounds good. All right, I'm gonna set this right here.
That's good.
Later we'll find that skunk that's living in the barn.
We're gonna have to go in here and
Tell us about the plan of attack.
we're gonna have to go in here and shut this door. All right, so that they don't go flying out.
Okay. OSHA approved ladder.
Yeah, kick the ladder down.
Alright, 1 sec. I see him. Hold on. Wait a second, Charles. I gotta set this up. You can't just go blasting away just yet. I wish I had a good shot of that bird that's up there. Oh, better yet, we'll just get you. Bring the ladder in. Will this thing stay closed with this one?
Might not do that. Yeah, it might just swing open.
It might.
Yeah, I'll leave it.
That's okay.
Not to worry.
Yeah, here. Gotta be very, very quiet. We're hunting pigeons. Do you see them?
You see it?
Oh. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's a pigeon in those rafters. That's not very good light, but
No.
it's okay. You see him, right?
Yeah. He sees me.
I only see the one.
Yeah. I think it is just one.
That's okay.
On hunting magazines, it's not going to be a big hit.
What are you doing? You ready?
I think I got something in here. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, we got him! Nice shot! Dinner.
Okay. Let's go to...
Alright, that's unloaded. Look, you gotta hold up your catch. That's what's for dinner. Very nice. We'll make soup out of it later. Pigeon and chicken soup.
Can I toss this pigeon down?
Yeah. Alright, let me get your step for you. I think that's... There you go.
Okay, let's...
So we got one nice pigeon for the pot. These are barn pigeons. They're eating good up here in the country. They really got nothing else to eat other than wild stuff. Oh, he's going for the skunk, the elusive skunk that lives in the barn.
I'm just gonna take a shot out there.
Well, wait a second. We might be able to just find the pigeon.
You ready?
No? Where are you shooting?
I'm gonna shoot right up there. See where all the poop is?
Yeah, well, wait
I
one
don't know
second.
exactly where
I
it
don't
is.
see him up there though. Let's look in the rafters first, because we might just see them. We might get lucky and just see the buggers. You know? Versus skedaddling on them all.
Sometime you can clap your hands. Loud, loud.
This side safe to walk in? Charles?
You see him?
No, this side's safe to go through, right?
Yeah, just go under. Yeah.
think there's one in this corner over here. Up here. But I can't be for sure.
Okay, ready?
Alright. I'm ready. No?
Okay, no one's here.
Tons of bats in here though. There's bat droppings all over this thing. What did we move out of here one day? Yes. You missed them, Charles.
I did.
I think so.
I did. You're right. It looks like just one.
Not all that's there. So we plucked them just right there. I think the shot went in here, came out right there. Nice and clean. So we'll cut the breast meat out and we'll cook them on the grill. Little breath. Look, you just take it, right?
Oh man, dark meat, huh? Should have brought a plate.
That's okay. There's one.
Alright.
The corn.
Yeah.
That's where all their birds are at. They're all down in the field. chickens don't have this little gullet thing. They might have.
Yeah, they do.
Do they
Sure
got
they
the little
do.
gullet
Yeah,
for
because they can't chew.
Yep. So that's what's left of it.
Holy cow. So, you know what? I just dropped it on the other side where you can't get it. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. I like that.
Yeah. What do you think about that?
This is great. That's a real delicacy. That's a boy. If you're having a hard day, you get yourself a pigeon. You pop 2 of these. You fry them in butter and a little bit of garlic, and wow, that's awesome. And a dark meat. Look at that dark meat. Where do you get dark meat except
Right off the farm.
Game meat, you know. This is quite an experience. Thank you. I'm gonna go show Aggie. Well, we got the breast meat.